Hello everyone! Hope you had a good Christmas or whatever you celebrate. So this is the hammer I made in the last video. Made entirely out of paper that I didn't waste. Man alive, there's still people saying I wasted paper. I made a hammer, okay? Perfectly practical. Made this entirely out. So made this entirely out of paper. Put a bit of tape around it. That's not paper, just for a grip. And I'm going to show you that this is hard enough to build something. So let's get right into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into. Anyway, once again, if you haven't seen how I made this, the link is in the description. Go and check that video out. You will see how I made a hammer entirely out of paper. It is paper. Okay, let's do this. Right, so we have these nails here. Holes in it. We're gonna hammer next to the holes. So. Oh dear. Oh, this isn't going well. Well, that's sort of one. Oh my days, we already broke off a big chunk here. Just shows how hard this hammer actually is, and it's paper. It's entirely paper. Gotta try and do this so it doesn't, see there's already holes in this, so we gotta do it so it doesn't go in the hole. Oh my days, look how damaged that is. Well, that's the other bit. So, yikes. Let's just stand this up. Oh! Oh no! Oh! Oh! Guys. Put that on like that. That's as far as we can go because the hammer is completely destroyed. Now, will it support my weight? Oh! Yeah! That's quite good actually. Oh, flipping heck. Oh. Okay, maybe try not build a chair with a paper hammer. Maybe just use it to like... Right, it doesn't work. It nailed... Look at this. The nails through the wood. I know there's a hole there, but I nailed it above the hole. As you can see. Right there. Okay, I nailed it in. And then same here. And if we look at this side as well, just get that into focus. Right through. Now the problem was, like you can see, nail, nail. The problem was my hammer completely destroyed. I mean, I don't even know where the other bit's gone. In fact, I think that is the other bit. That's the whole thing. It's just completely destroyed. But it's still hard. And it was still able to hit in wood. Right, so I think it's safe to say we answered one of life's most... Oh, this chair is getting in my... We answered one of life's most important questions. One of life's biggest questions. Can you build a hammer out of paper? Yeah, you can. It did work for a little bit, but there's a design flaw. The more you use it, the weaker it gets. This is what's left of my hammer. So I think I'll stick to these ones in future. We're done with that. We'll stick to this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Any more content coming. Again, check the link in the description to see how I made the paper hammer. And I do demonstrate that I used it to hammer nails into wood. We did sort of get the nails in the wood, but we could only hammer 3 nails in the chair before the chair broke to pieces catastrophically and almost smashed my glass bookcase. So, check out my Instagram. Again, link in the description. Subscribe, follow. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers. This is insane how quick this is going. Got some good videos coming. Bye!